we are facing a man made disaster of global scale. Our greatest threat in thousands of years global warming and climate change. If we don't take action, the collapse of our civilization and the extinction much of the natural world is on the horizon. The world's people have spoken. Their message is clear. Time is running out. The amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is now 50% higher than it was in 1900. Not just that, we are chopping down the forests of the earth at a great rate, and forests themselves are the consumer of most carbon dioxide produced on the earth. We are destroying the earth. Climate change will likely alter the frequency and intensity of forest disturbances, including wildfires, storms, insect outbreaks, and the occurrence of invasive species. Climate change has worsened the problems already faced by forests, from land development and air pollution. Hello everyone. So today I will interview about global warming. This is Nidhi Rohit. So, hello sir. So what is global warming and what are the main causes of global warming according to you?
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, अगर आज की समस्याओं की बात करें हम, तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग आज विश्व स्तर पर एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या का रूप ले चुका है। इससे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री अच्छी तरह से वाकिफ है और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी बड़े बड़े विश्व के जो मंचों पर जाकर इस मुद्दे को हमेशा जोर और शोर से उठाते रहे हैं।
तो आप ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए बेसिकली किसे जिम्मेदार मानते हैं? कौन वास्तविकता में इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है?
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए बेसिकली सबसे पहले इंसान ही जिम्मेदार है, क्योंकि इस धरती पर जितनी भी प्रजातियां हैं वो तो अपने उसी हिसाब से जो सदियों से जीते आ रहे ऐसे ही जी रहे हैं। बेसिकली उनकी तो समस्याएं बड़ी है, क्योंकि जंगल कट गए, उनके रहने के लिए स्थान बचे नहीं है। तो इन सबका सबसे बड़ा कारण है इंसान, क्योंकि इंसान अपने लालच के लिए जो नेचर के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहा है। टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है, ग्लेशियर्स पिघल रहे हैं, सी लेवल बढ़ रहा है। आपने देखा कि बड़ी बड़ी बहुत कंट्रीज के अंदर सीटियाँ पानी
अंटार्कटिका में भी ग्लेशियर्स लगातार पिघलते जा रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल,
तो
जिससे
जो
सी
पीने
लेवल
का
बढ़ रहा
पानी
है। तो हमारा जो बात करें अगर धरती तो जो ज़मीन की अगर बात करेंगे तो वो धीरे 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 थोड़ी होती जा रही है, उसका क्षेत्रफल कम हो रहा है।
It was nice talking to you. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।
Hello, sir. So, what do you know about global warming?
Global warming because of so many deforestation and using ACs in cities, using so many vehicles like car, personal car. And recently, so many people have a own car because of this carbon monoxide is generated.
Okay.
That's why global warming is generated, and our temperature is going too much high.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah. So, is there any way to prevent it?
So many. We can plant tree as we have to. हमें हर आदमी को संकल्प लेना चाहिए that
Yeah.
we have to plant a tree at least 5 to 10 plantation in our whole life.
Okay. How will you compare global effects of global warming in India with Antarctica?
Antarctica have less population.
Yeah.
India, whole India has so many contributions regarding population. So India is also developing country, so we cannot tell that stop the deforestation, stop industries, because if we will suddenly stop, then our growth rate will be decrease.
Yeah.
The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat.
This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live.
Rising global temperatures cause the ice in Antarctica to melt, which in turn causes the level of the oceans to increase around the world. At sustained warming levels between 2 degrees Celsius and 3 degrees Celsius, the West Antarctic ice sheet will be lost completely and irreversibly over thousands of years.
Between 1980 and 2020, several penguin colonies on the Antarctic Peninsula vanished. Antarctic ice is changing. Collapsing ice shelves could lead to several feet of sea level rise by 2100. The climate crisis is disrupting these delicate systems. They are changing rapidly, with effects that will be felt around the world.